welcome back to another video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole, and that's on what?
Period.
Period, poo. It's on period. So in this video, I am so excited. This is something different. I have never done this before. Based on the title, you already know what we're doing. I'm doing my first ever giveaway. So I'm giving away 3 items. There will be 3 winners for this subscriber giveaway. I have reached 500 subscribers, and I've been telling y'all this since 2021 that I want to do a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I was finally able to reach it early February, but I'm just not able to do the video because I had other things going on, and you know, life be lifing. But I'm just so happy, and I'm so grateful for you guys to support my channel, even though this is not really a lot compared to other super successful YouTubers. I'm still very grateful to have you guys supporting my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and post a couple of people who recently joined the family and the comments I've been getting. I really appreciate all of those comments. I really appreciate the love. I appreciate the compliments that I've been getting from you all. It really makes me continue. It motivates me to continue to grow my channel, knowing that there are people who are watching, there are people who tune in, who've been seeing my progress from when I started, who even went back to older videos just to see, you know, my progress, and they'll comment on my older videos and say, oh, so this is where it started. Like, it's really cool that you guys are that, some of you are that interested in me, and I just really appreciate you subscribing because, you know, it's free to do it. And I also appreciate some of you who have also had some of your friends come and subscribe to my channel, and they also tell me down below, oh yeah, so and so told me about your channel, and I'm just here because they brought me here and I really like your content. I really appreciate all of that. But let's go ahead and get into what I purchased for you guys. So I went shopping, and I actually posted on my IG. Some of y'all already follow me on IG. I posted on my IG me shopping for you guys, and here are the items. So I'm not gonna open them because I just don't want to do that. Some of them are wrapped up. I told them it's a gift. It's gonna be a gift for my subscribers, people at the stores at the mall. I went to the Lenox Mall here in Atlanta, and so they wrapped it up for me, made it look super cute. So I'm gonna keep it looking cute just for you guys. So the first item is a Coach item. It is a Coach card holder. I will post a clip of how it looks. That way you guys will actually know what you're getting. It's a card holder, like I said. It comes in this little box. Oops. It comes in this box right here. Very sleek. You know, Coach isn't something, Coach is not a brand that I'm very used to purchasing from. This is actually my first time ever purchasing from Coach, and I really did appreciate the customer service they had at the location that I went to. She was super sweet. The lady was very sweet. She actually gave me some goodies, like some Valentine's Day goodies. Speaking of Valentine's, happy belated Valentine's, you guys, and happy Black History Month. I forgot to mention that. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope everybody had a great Valentine's. If not, I hope you know, still enjoying life as it comes. Just take it as it comes, honey. Take it as it comes. It's gonna be all right. Just remember that it's always gonna be all right. There's gonna be light in the tunnel. Anyway, getting back to the giveaway. But yeah, this is gonna be one of the items that I'll be giving away. It's the Coach card holder. Like I said, I'll post a picture of it right here. And then Marc Jacobs is also a new place that I went to for the first time. I've always heard good things about them, but I never actually went and purchased myself. But when I went into the store, it was very sleek, very like, it was giving me Versace vibes. I really liked the store. It was like fun, not too feminine, not too masculine, but it was just like very vibrant, very clean and sleek. But I purchased a card holder from Marc Jacobs as well, and I'll put a clip on how that looks just so you guys know what you're getting. Oh, going back to Coach, there are some items that I saw in the Coach store that I definitely want to purchase. I might start doing some Coach unboxings. We'll see in the future, but I really like a couple things I saw in Coach. It's very different from the Coach that I used to see back in the day. Like, it's very different. So they just changed it up a little bit, and I like the change. I'm here for the change. And then last but not least, we have a Louis Vuitton giveaway. Those of you who have been here for my channel for a while, you know that this is one of my loves. I'm very much into the Louis Vuitton brand. I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say. I wanted it for myself, but I decided I would give it to you guys. So I don't even have this item. I don't even have this item for myself. But I have here, like I said, it's wrapped very nicely. There goes the card, the receipt, and it's in this little box. So cute. And like I said, I will post a picture. I did not get to record how it looked in the actual store, but I will post a picture from the website on how this card holder looks. It's a Damier Ebene card holder, and I don't know if you guys know, but Damier Ebene was the first ever canvas design that Louis Vuitton made. The monogram print that we see so much more, I want to say we see it more often than we see Damier Ebene, which is the, people say the checkered or the box kind. The monogram came after that. So Damier Ebene, I feel like this would be a perfect gift because it goes back to the culture of the store and the history. Like, and I don't ever see many people with this card holder. When I saw it in the store, I was like, oh, I have never seen that. And I don't think I even paid attention online. Like, I always see monogram. It's like they always flash monogram everywhere. But this is actually really cute, and I feel like it's really exclusive, even though it's been here before, monogram. But I just wanted to get this to you guys because this is something that I would definitely want. All these gifts something that I would want. I would actually wear these and use these items every day. And I just feel like it's so realistic to have a card holder. You know, you guys will think of me every day using your card holder in your purse or in your pocket. But those are the 3 items. Let's talk about the rules for the giveaway. Okay, so there's gonna be 3 rules to the giveaway. Super easy rules, I think. So the first rule is going to make sure that you follow me on YouTube and on Instagram. So if you're watching this video, you already see my account. Just make sure you hit that red button, hit the subscribe red button, and it should turn gray when you hit it. My IG name is this right here, so I'll post that. It's OmYogaMo, OmYogamo, YogaMo. So make sure when you subscribe, you screenshot that you're subscribed and send it, DM it to me on Instagram. That way I know that's you, and I can see that you're following me through Instagram. Okay. The second rule to the giveaway is to drop your email down below on this video and drop your IG down below on this video, because I know that some people don't have the same name for their Instagram and for their YouTube channel, just like me. So just so I can make sure it's the right person I'm looking at, I want to make sure everything adds up, everything's correct. So yeah, drop your email down below and your IG. That way I have 2 ways to contact you as well. In case you don't see the IG post in time or an email in time, you'll see one or the other, hopefully. And then the third rule is to invite at least 3 people to my YouTube channel. So basically just, you know, share it to your friend, share it to your cousin, share it to somebody, your boyfriend, I don't know, your girlfriend, I don't know. Share it and at least have 3 people comment down below saying so and so invited me to your channel, or I'm subscribed thanks to so and so. That way I know that you brought those people in. And if you want to increase your chances of being selected for the giveaway, you can invite more than 3 people if you like. That'll just create more entries for the giveaway for you. So yeah, so all you have to do, those 3 things. The giveaway will be closed on March 1st. So March 1st will be the last day for you to do all of these things. In no particular order, just make sure you get it done. That way I can check. I'll be checking probably the day before March 1st, just to, like, you know, get everything organized and whatever. I wish I could do more, but I'm not even at 1K yet. So this is money that I haven't even earned from YouTube, you guys. Like, this is just me showing that I appreciate you all. Most people who do these giveaways, they're using money they already made from YouTube. Like, they're already balling out. They're balling out of control. They balling. Your girl over here, I'm not balling, but like I said, I want to show appreciation for those who support me, because I wouldn't be at 500 plus subscribers without any of you. So again, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, do so. Like the video, comment down below with the rules, the giveaway rules, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.